What you're about to see might just blow you away. This software, it's called Emoji Mouse. It allows you to annotate, but also drop images on the screen, just like that. You simply upload an image and you drop it onto your screen. This can be incredible for people who are trying to annotate information and explain to their users how to use their software. You can simply upload an image that makes sense for your users to see, and that way you can then annotate around that specific function of your application. So not only is this a perfect annotation software, but it actually has more functions. You can actually use your own logo as your cursor using this application. Simply by going into the settings function, mouse, cursor, you can literally upload a PNG, decide exactly where on the icon you want the click to take place, where the hotspot is, click OK, and that's it. Now, if you've noticed while I've been talking, there have been emojis popping up on the screen, like this telephone or this emoji. And that's actually happening because of this function, which is the Emoji Mouse function, which puts emojis next to your mouse based on what you're saying. Now, this is absolutely incredible. We have 3 options that work. One of them is offline rules, which requires no AI. And the other one is let AI decide. That's the one I'm using right now. Let AI decide will allow AI to listen to you, and every sentence you speak, it takes what you've last said and creates an emoji that makes sense and puts it next to your mouse. This is going to keep your users ultra engaged. Let me show you an example of the options. Here we are. This is the actual section in Emoji Mouse. If I click on offline rules, now we have a bunch of rules. Whenever I say the word happy, yes, glad, good, please, joyful, cheers, it's going to trigger the smile. Whenever I say sad, cry, oh no, sorry, upset, it's going to trigger the sad emoji, as you can see. But the great thing about this, you can actually upload your own photos and then use them within the software. So for example, if I go to the images section here and upload an emoji, for example, the one that you saw earlier, let me find it. Here we are, the WTF. And let's also upload yes way and also the no way one. Fantastic. Let's give these 3 names. WTF, yes way, no way. Now watch how we make these emojis pop up when we speak on the mic. So let's start with yes way and then trigger the yes way add rule, no way, which will trigger the no way add rule, and what the is going to trigger what the. Watch this. No way. Okay, now let's test everything. No way. No way. Yes way. What the? No way. What the hell? No way. Yes way. Yes way. So I guess the word yes is being is triggering the smile, as you can see. Let's delete that rule and try again. Yes way. Yes way. So I guess another rule is triggering the word yes, but you get the idea. This is going to be following your mouse and keeping your viewers hooked and engaged with your video and your content so that you will not lose your clientele as they're listening and watching your demonstrations on how to use software. Now, apart from what we've talked about, you can also use this regular annotation, which has arrows and squares. You can change the color quickly. You could also have a black background or a white background, or you can bin everything and have a clear background. And of course, we have more functionality like the OCR function is down here. That allows you to get text from any image. As you can see, you just highlight, then you can copy the text from any image just like that. We also have a screenshot function, which allows you to take a screenshot of anything on your screen, save it to the clipboard, or save it as a file. That more or less summarizes the unbelievable functionality of this incredible annotation tool called Emoji Mouse, which basically completely changes the game for anyone who needs to annotate and explain software. And I think the best function of all is the drop image on screen function, which allows you to kind of drop images on the screen and then annotate over them. That will give you an easy way to explain your software to new clients. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.